We will use this setup to compare the efficiency of a compact fluorescent lamp and an incandescent filament lamp. First, connect an incandescent lamp to a kilowatt-hour meter. Place a light meter about 1 meter away from the center of the lamp. Switch on the lamp and black out the laboratory. This ensures that only light from the lamp reaches the receptor of the light meter. Switch on the light meter. The meter will measure the illuminance of the lamp. Now we need to find out the power rating of the lamp. Using a stopwatch, measure the time taken for the disc of the kilowatt meter to revolve, say 3 revolutions. Read from the kilowatt meter the energy supplied per revolution of the disc. Then we can determine the power rating of the lamp. Next, replace the incandescent lamp with a compact fluorescent lamp. Make sure that their centers are at the same position. Switch on the lamp for 5 minutes for the compact fluorescent lamp to reach its maximum brightness. Repeat the steps above to measure the illuminance and power rating of the lamp. According to the above results, which lamp has a higher efficiency?